What's up, boys? This thing's about to get washed real quick.
Oh yeah.
Very nice.
Get to work, boys.
When do you be working, Joe? Oh yeah. We're already done. So today, guys, we're gonna be making these, the stock halo halogens that are yellow. So we're gonna go over here. This is the package from ECS. And now I'm just gonna get a quick wash in because this drawing's a little dirty. As you can see, she needs a bath.
Big wash guy.
Big wash guy.
Big wash guy.
Devil circle, bitch ass.
Doesn't get any better than this.
Someone else doing the call for you?
That, and it just looks sick like this. I don't know why. If you guys need someone to wash your car, hit up my boy Harrison. He can hook you up any day. Look at him adding all those swirls in the paint.
Oh.
When he should be doing straight lines, but he's adding swirls.
Yeah, it's buffing.
What can I say? Don't worry. A single scratch will be made.
No, because I just washed this pad, bro.
Yeah.
Fresh pad, no scratch.
Brand new, basically. All right, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna write these down real quick.
Oh, there's none.
So these halos that come stock, they come stock with amber, the halogen. We need to get rid of that ASAP. That's pretty much what I need. I don't know how similar it will look.
Hopefully it'll look similar. We can get pictures together.
Yeah, that looks way better than that does.
Yo, tell the boys this thing will be turboed by the summer.
No
Words
way.
on it. I'm dead ass.
Summer's like now.
The taillights though on this thing, they're like mint. Looks even better in person.
What do we have here?
Welcome to Unbox Therapy.
What's up, guys? It's Lou from Unbox Therapy, and today we're taking a look at the
H8 LED angel eye bulb set. Also, I'm very gay.
He's good.
Let's do it.
Alright. Got my murder knife. Not very sharp. I'll tell you what, ECS uses some strong tape. Alright, boys. Damn, that's cool actually. Look, it looks like your car.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh damn, it's made by ECS?
I don't know.
Alright.
Do the packaging first at least, bro.
Alright, boys, we got some halos on the front. Kind of looks sick, actually. Oh. Oh, damn. He did get bold. Oh, these are sick. These like converters. Alright, boys, so this is what's gonna make his amber halos into LEDs, apparently. I find that very hard to believe.
See if it works, see if we got the right product.
Let's hope so. Alright, let's pop the hood. Bam, son. There's two. There we go.
Pretty much popping off the covers.
Yeah, covers to the bulbs. Looks like we got one more at the bottom. There's one. Looks like it just goes in the back of the headlight. Ooh.
Got both the covers off. That's the stock
Piece
one.
of shit. Thursday.
Guys, pretty much it's just plug and play.
It's super easy.
So guys, she's in right there.
There's the bulb right there. These are like the converters. Here's the plug-in, factory plug, and
Sorry guys for the bad lighting. Oh yeah, she's mint.
is it a whole lot better?
Oh yeah, that looks sick.
Damn, that's a big difference.
Dude, look at it on camera, it's like flashing.
I know, it always does
Yeah.
that. Mine does that too.
You guys can kind of
Does the
see
other
it.
one do it?
I don't think so. No. So the LEDs,
That's because it's LED.
camera can't handle it.
Camera can't.
All right guys, sorry it's hard to see, but we will pull it inside the little shop. Both sides are in. A little hard to see. There she is. First mod done to this car. It was about, I forget how much it was. It was like 107, I think.
That's not bad.
Nah, not bad at all.
Not bad for an LED bulb.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's gonna conclude this video. So if you guys have this car and want some LED halos, it's as simple as that.
It's really simple. I'm stupid. I still got it.
Alright guys, catch you later.
Cock, Glock, pop, drop, roll your body in the grave. Chopping no karate, call my sawed off shotty Johnny Cage. Rhymers wanna parlay, but that's just not how I operate. Start my day off smoking rhymers like a white boy with a vape. 2 sticks, 1 nut, call that a nunchuck. I'm ruthless, what's up, run up, I got that drum tuck. New bitch, my dick hurt, taste strawberry cool whip. Ooh, click, ooh, quick, too quick, all on that rubies.